Good evening, all. Our source of inspiration, Honorable Dr. M.R. Patil sir, Training and Placement Officer, Mr. Kailash Jadhav sir, IQAC Coordinator, Mr. I.M. Kaji sir, and of course the resource person of today's workshop, Mr. Ajinkya Ban. We are here for this valedictory session. Friends, this is our 6th online workshop, and I am thankful to each and every participants for your huge response during this lockdown. And we must utilize this time for our academics as well as technical updations. We were happy to launch this workshop on project development using C#.NET. As you know, C#.NET is a general purpose language designed for developing applications on the Microsoft platform and requires the .NET framework on Windows to work. C# is often thought of as a hybrid that takes the best of C programming language and C++ programming language to create a truly modernized programming language. It is also object-oriented programming language, and it is developed by Microsoft Corporation. C# is a modern programming language that was created to build modern software applications for Windows, web, and mobile. C# is much more powerful programming language than many of us may realize. Not only can you build the traditional Windows client applications and web applications, but you may also use C# to build mobile applications, Windows Store applications, and many more enterprise applications. On the top of that, C# is a cool. Yes, you heard it right. C# is a cool. Actually, C# was originally named C Cool, but due to trademark issues, it was renamed to C#. In today's workshop, Mr. Ajinkya Ban has covered creating SQL Server database and how to configure the SQL Server database, means its configuration, then how to create the login form, then how to go for registration form, and most importantly, you learn how to design your own project using C#.NET. Once again, I am thankful to everyone for your participation in this workshop and your active involvement during this workshop. I would like to tell you over here, most of the time when we go for project development, we need front end and back end. And so far as the front end is concerned, most of the students may go for Visual Basic or C#.NET, and for the backend database you have to select. You can go for SQL. Yes, in today's workshop you learn backend as well as front end to go for your own project development. And during this, if you have any doubt or if you have any query, our Telegram group we keep our Telegram group in active mode. If you have any query related with this particular any topic of the session, you can frankly ask to the concerned resource person. Lastly, I would like to say happy learning and keep updating your technical skills. I am thankful to Honorable Dr. M.R. Patil sir. I am thankful to Mr. Ajinkya Ban for his wonderful technical sessions that he has conducted today. I am once again thankful to each and every participants for your active participation. Once again, thank you one and all. Thank you.